How to type bold on Facebook. Facebook does not have built-in feature to type bold. For that, you'll have to use third-party apps and websites. What you can do is simply open any browser of your choice. Go to the website that gives you the bold text. For example, I'm going to go to Ye Text. If you also want to do that, tap on the search bar. Type in yetext.com, search for it. You'll be led to the official website of Yetext. You can see this field for your text over here. Tap on it. Type in your text. Once you do that, you'll be able to get the bold font over here. Tap on the option for copy that you can see on the screen. Now it has been copied. You can simply go to Facebook. Go where you want to type in bold. For example, I'm going to comment on this post. What you have to do is simply paste the text that we copied earlier. You can do it from the clipboard. After you're done, tap on the send icon. Now you can see over here your bold text has been sent. Like this, you can type bold on Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.